So, sir, what's your vision for Bikshit Odisha?
Yeah, um, uh, I'm being a vice chancellor of a state private university. So definitely our role is very very important towards the Bikshit Odisha, aligning with the vision of Bikshit Bharat. As you know, there is a strong vision of Bikshit Bharat, particularly after AI Impact Summit, and if you'll see the Indian Vision 2047, and if we integrate this the vision of Bikshit Odisha, so it makes a big sense. So there are many area. Maybe if you'll see first, we can consider the renewable energy. In the renewable energy sector, particularly green hydrogen, because Odisha has a tremendous vertical of green energy verticals, because as you know, enter seashore is there, and maybe in future, as you know, as per the AI Impact Summit, the vision is to create a number of data center within India. So as you know, for the data center thing, you need huge energy as well as water. So if green energy can be generated, green hydrogen energy, and as well as water is sufficient in Odisha in coastal zone, so definitely Odisha will play a biggest role for the means constitution of data centers. Because as you know, in future, government has a vision within 10 years that all the data of India, it should be within India. It should not go outside. Nowadays, 90%, 90% data is going to the abroad.
Yes.
Very few are here. Maybe many, very few IT companies who are taking data here. But in future, government aim to create minimum 20 big data centers so that around 50 to 60% data should be stored, and consequently it is enhanced. So India will be independent in tune of data center. That is one. So we are very behind of that. And VLSI chip design is an emerging area nowadays, because we are not producing means very low nowadays, very low. And going ahead, there should be a immediate call for chip design, and Odisha, Bikshit Odisha is also a big catch of that. They are going to develop so many chip design industry in Odisha, and there is one, you know, earlier it was a concept of Odisha chip. Is concept is there, but again it should be explored in a big way. So that is one of the area. And last is, if education sector, if we'll see, in education sector, AI is a very important means, as you say, now it is not only technology, it is required for each and every program, because everybody should know AI. AI means they should know proper use of AI tools. So now it may be management, it may be engineering, it may be agriculture, it may be anything. Even if it is maybe arts and Indic science, there also AI plays an important role. So AI should be a mandatory curriculum in every program, and I kept as a vice chancellor in my all programs, because you know, in coming days, every data center required a number of data center engineers, that is AI engineers. So unless and until a person is properly AI trained from the grass level to updated AI, so he cannot be a AI talent for the data center. So that is important for each and every university to look into that. It should be, I think it is under the part of the Bikshit Odisha, because they are also taking call by taking many corporate and putting their vertical in Government of Odisha portal, and every students can reach that and do through LMS. So these are the emerging thing. And you know, EV sector also. So electrical vehicle is a big thing. Means what I apprehend in coming future also, there must be some three for EV industry, so that the people of the students of Odisha can get benefit out of that. And another last call I can say, as you know, now the agriculture is booming day by day. So there must be a precision agriculture curriculum. Precision agriculture, not general agriculture. Precision agriculture curriculum. So these are the things from my side, because looking this, I am doing my program plan, and I plan to give training to my students. So Bikshit Odisha is doing good, and it is going in a good way. Thank you.
Sir, it's wonderful talking to you, sir. Thank you